Most people think a tax-free savings account and a registered retirement savings plan are just savings accounts. But if you treat them that way, you are literally leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Today, I am showing you how to turn these from simple buckets into high-performance wealth engines. Whether you are a new immigrant or you have been in Canada for years, you need to stop just saving and start building real wealth. First, we have to clear up the biggest myth. A tax-free savings account and a registered retirement savings plan isn't an investment, it is a container. Think of it like a garage. You can leave it empty or you can park a Ferrari in there. That Ferrari, those are your stocks, ETFs, and index funds. The garage just protects them from the taxman weather. Let's start with the tax-free savings account, TFSA. But first, I am Tosin Aileafen, your licensed life insurance broker and financial educator. The name tax-free savings account is actually a bit misleading. It should be called tax-free investment account. Any money you put in there has already been taxed, but everything it grows into is 100% yours. If you turn $10,000 into $100,000 inside a tax-free savings account, you owe the government $0 when you take it out. Your contribution limit depends on if you are 18 years and above. The carryover rule applies to those who haven't maxed out the contribution room yet in the previous year. Now, let's talk about the registered retirement savings plan, the RRSP. This is different. When you put money in there, it lowers your taxable income today. You get a tax refund now, but you pay tax later when you take out money in retirement years. It's a game of tax arbitrage. You save money at your high income earning years and pay it back when your income is lower in retirement years. Wait, it gets better. If you are a first-time home buyer, you can use the home buyer's plan to take money out of your RRSP tax-free for a down payment. The golden question is, which one should you prioritize? Are you in a low income? Focus on tax-free savings account first. Save your RRSP room when you are in a higher tax bracket. When you are now on a high income, use your RRSP to get a big tax refund. Then, here is the pro move. Invest that refund directly into your tax-free savings account. There are common pitfalls you need to avoid. Don't make these mistakes. 1. Over-contributing. The CRA penalties are steep. Over-contributing will cost 1% per month of the over-contributed funds. 2. Using it as an emergency fund. Tax-free savings account is okay for this, but pulling from an RRSP early is a tax nightmare. 3. Holding only cash. If your money is just sitting in there in cash, inflation is eating your future. Wealth building in Canada isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button. And if you're wondering what to